Hi, Paul Hefty here with the Triangle O football system. Want to go over some simple offensive team movements. We call these scatter and shake shifts. Some reasons for these is, again, we want to be able to gain a mismatch in personnel. Number two, we can gain leverage on the perimeter. With number three, we can gain a numbers advantage. Four, it can help identify coverage, man, or zone. And then last, probably most important, just promote a toe-to-heel mentality to defense. This is something that the University of Wisconsin River Falls did very successfully in their 2025 Division III National Championship run. The key coaching point here is the H-back in the back must shift formation strength, but you can get this where the players can make up presets each week. So again, the scatter signal is real simple. You'll take any of your formation signals with that directional hand and then just go ahead and motion it across the face to get a scatter. We'll go through why, what, and how this works. We'll first do scatter, and then we'll add and build on that with the shake. Let's take a look. So first is our team scatter shift. We're simply going to take our directional formation signal and go ahead and motion it across our face. Why we're doing this, we're going to be able to change the strength with the H-back and have the back and the sidecar to start. And how we're going to do this is simply let the players get into a pre-shift alignment opposite of spread or tight stacks, and then shift with a call into the final formation. So real simple down below, we would go ahead and use the first signal is the cross face of a trio right. That's what we want to end up in. So then the pre-shift is going to be a 2x2 with the H opposite of his final alignment, and the receiver's into now the tight stack, and the back goes opposite of its final alignment and goes right into the sidecar. As soon as the quarterback says shift and motions with his hands out to the side, then everybody shifts into that final formation call of trio right. Another thing you can do is allow the players to go ahead and come up with a pre-shift alignment unique for that week and have some fun with it. We can build off of our scatter shift by going number two to what we call a team shake shift. All we're going to do is add fly motion by that slot or A receiver, and that acts as the trigger for the team scatter. So you can see in the bottom left, we're using our trio right, and now it's called a shake. The signal is again going to be that trio right directional hand signal, but now we'll just shake it side by side, not going across the face. You can see we're going to line up with the H-back opposite, be in the sidecar, and now we're in the tight stack. Once the quarterback signals to the A to start the fly motion, he'll take off, and once he gets past the center, he returns. Once he returns, then that cues everybody else to shift into that final formation of trio right. You can see now we've got a simple way to do some team shifts, have some fun, create a lot of confusion, but put your offense in a position to be very successful and take advantage of defensive alignment mishaps. Thanks.